Yeah, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to askIITians. My name is Gaurav. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, today we'll discuss an important topic for your angle. Today we'll discuss what center is, what is centroid, circumcenter, incenter, right? So just let me share my screen. Yeah, guys. Okay. So yeah, you class 9 triangles with CBSE, we did really what? Okay, 5 to 7 months from this chapter. Okay. Now, today we are dealing with very important topic for exam. That is what centroid is, what center is, what orthocenter is, what incenter is, and also your angle bisector theorem. Very important theorem. Very important theorem. Several questions are asked in Olympiads also from this theorem, angle bisector theorem. Right. So yeah, let's get tell me or you know the meaning of the centroid. Centroid. The triangle is ABC. You know the median, what median is? Median is a side which align from your opposite vertex and it bisects the opposite side. Here ED is your median and it bisects the opposite side. BC. That is ED is equal to what? Is equal to ED. AD is a median. Median is a line that bisects the median is a line that bisects the other side. Okay. This can also be a median. BE and you see F can also be a median, right? It means these all are equal because your median bisects the opposite side. So the intersection of all the medians is what? The intersection of all the medians is your center. We'll discuss in detail. The special point in triangles we are dealing with. These include the centroids, the center, the orthocenter, and the center. We'll study one by one. First is the centroid. Okay. First is the center, right? The center of a triangle is the point at which three medians meet. Okay. And what median is? A median is the line between a vertex and the midpoint of opposite sides. So this is what the G point is your center point, right? And what will be the coordinates of G? Coordinates of G will be your x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 2. What are y1, y2, y3? These are if your A coordinates A point has coordinate x1, y1, B has x2, y2, C has x3, y3, and G coordinates will have this, right? And also, guys, the centroid divides the median, any median, in ratio 2:1. That your ED is the median, and your centroid that divides the median from the vertex to that base 2:1. So the 2 ratio will be from vertex to your G point, right? Similarly, your BG will be what? 2:1. And you from your vertex will be 2 and your base will be 1, right? It means your AG divided by GD will be what? 2/1. Also, BG, GE, also GC, here. Okay, all will be 2:1. Your centroid divides the median into ratio 2:1. It is the point of concurrency of the median. Yeah, basically the midpoint of what? Midpoint of all the medians, right? The question is there for you guys. Question is there for you. The points are given. Points are given minus 2, comma 3, A point, B point is 6, comma 7, and C point is 4, A 2, 4, comma 1. These are the coordinates of the vertex of triangle. Okay. We have to find the centroid. If AD will be what? Median, right? Because it is midpoint. You have to find coordinates of C. I've already told the coordinates of C will be what? X1 plus X2 plus X3 divided by 3, comma, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, Y3. X1, X2, X3 are the abscissa of your A, B, and C, right? X1, X2, X3 will be X1 is minus 2, X2 is 6, X3 is 4, by 3, comma, 3 plus 7 plus 1 by 3, right? So G coordinates will be 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 upon 3, comma, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 3. Right, guys? This is basically according to formula of the centroid. You will usually get the coordinates of your medians. The coordinates of the point of intersection of the median. So you should know that the question is just asking the coordinates of what the point of intersection of the median is centroid, right? So basically you have to find out the coordinates of G. Minus 2. Guys, you can either the question is wrong or the answer is wrong, right? Because coordinates of y1 is minus 3. Just you can do its coordinates of minus 3, or you can just change the solution. You can do here plus. So 8 plus 3 will be 11 upon 3. Okay. Coordinates are wrong. Yeah. So guys, your second most important point. Second most important point is your circumcenter. What is circumcenter? Circumcenter is the intersection point of the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. These are perpendicular bisectors. Just let me tell you what circumcenter is. Okay? The triangle ABC, a circle can pass through it. Then the radius of this circle is your circumcenter. And you know that your center bisects the chord and is always perpendicular. I don't know. So a circumcenter is what? Circumcenter suppose a key point. Circumcenter is the intersection of what? Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular. These are all perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. If a triangle is given ABC, what circumcenter is? Circumcenter is the perpendicular intersection of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of all the sides, right? So let me just tell you how you find out the what circumcenter is. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are given. Right? Vertices are given. Vertices are given. So A point is 2, minus 3, B is 8, minus 2, and C is 8, 6. Right? The vertices are given. Coordinates of vertices are given. So to find out the circumcenter. What circumcenter is? Circumcenter, let's suppose this your S point is your circumcenter. It means your SE will be perpendicular and it will also bisect, and your DS will be perpendicular and it also will bisect, right? Guys, can you find out the equation of DS line? Equation of DS line. Can you find know the coordinates of D point? D point will be midpoint, right? Because your AD is equal to DB. So points of D will be what? 2 at 8, 8 plus 2 by 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 2, that is 5, midpoint, and minus 5 by 2, right? Similarly, your E coordinates will be what? 15 by 2, that is 8, 8, 2, right? And guys, your slope of, the M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 and M2 are the slopes of perpendicular lines, right? If you know the slope of AB until that slope of DS will be what? Will be equal to minus 1. Slope of AB is what? Slope of AB y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 2 minus 8 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 cancel out. So, and slope of DS equal to minus 1. The slope of DS will be minus 6. Got it? Slope of DS will be minus 6. And how will you find out the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to that slope x minus x1. Y minus y1 is y minus y1 is plus 5 by 2 minus 6 x minus x1, x minus x1 is minus 5. This is what the equation is. Similarly, you can find out the equation of SE in the similar way, right? In a similar way, and you can just eliminate your x and y, while you can find out the value of x and y by elimination method or by any other method, right? So you can easily find out the value of s by having two equations. You have got the equation of your ds, you have got the equation of se. So the intersection point will be your point s. So by any elimination method or substitution method, you can easily find out the value of x and y. So yeah, we have found out the equation of line ds, equation of line es. Then if you solve your A equation, B equation, your point s. The point s will be 17, 4 by 2. Sorry, 17 by 4. Yeah, guys. So what we have done, let me just summarize it. Three coordinates were given. You can easily find out the equation of your ds, and you can similarly find out the equation of your se. The intersection point of these equation will give you what? Will give you circumcenter. Why? Because circumcenter is the point of intersection of your perpendicular bicycle. Okay. So this is how we will gonna find out the point. Now comes, guys, now comes the orthocenter. The orthocenter. Orthocenter, it can be shown that the altitudes of triangle are concurrent and the point of concurrence is called orthocenter. Is basically circumcenter is your perpendicular bisector, intersection of your perpendicular bisector, and orthocenter is the intersection of what? Only perpendicular. If I draw perpendicular here, it is not bisector, it is just altitude or perpendicular, right? So D point, D point, F point is the O point. So O point is the orthocenter. Okay, intersection of what? Intersection of altitudes, perpendicular. Okay, and circumcenter was intersection of your perpendicular bisector. Centroid wide was intersection of what? Intersection of medians, right? So yeah, guys, how will you find out the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle? Those angular points are basically three coordinates are given. Three coordinates of your triangle are given. Three coordinates of the vertices are given. We have to find out the value of O. Guys, the similar way, you can find out the equation of your AB. Yeah, you can find out the equation of your. Okay, let me just tell you. Let me just tell you. You can find out the slope of. You can find out the slope of AB. The slope of AB. How slope is calculated? Slope is calculated by 2 minus by 1 divided by x minus x. So by 2 minus by 1 minus 2 x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. So it is basically 1 upon 3. Therefore, slope of what? Slope of EC will be equal to minus 3. Why, guys? Because your M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. What M1 is? M1 is 1 upon 3. What M2 is? The required one. So M2 will be. If you once got the slope of a line, you can easily got the equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y minus y1 is minus 4 to plus 4 is equal to m is minus x minus 2. So yeah, we have got one equation of EC. Similarly, you can got equation of AD. That is the second equation. This is your equation of EC, right? What O point is? O point is intersection of your EC and your AD, right? So just by solving 1 and 2 equation, you can get the value of your O point, right? Because it is the intersection point. The similar way we have done for the circumference, right, guys? So we have just found out the equation of these two lines, and the intersection of these two lines will give you what? Will give you a orthocenter. Now comes the incenter. I have told you circumcentre is just a triangle, a circle, a triangle. It is basically circumcentre was your outside triangle, right? So, circumscribing circumscribing a circle. Incenter is your a triangle inside your sorry, your incenter is a circle which is inside your triangle and touching all the sides internally, right? So A, B, and C. The center of that triangle and the center of that circle will be what? Will be your incenter. Suppose I, right? And it is basically if we do not draw the circle, it is basically the angular. Your what? These are your angles. Angle A, angle B, and angle C, right? So it is basically the angle bisector, intersection of your angle bisector. These all our angles are equal, right? So yeah, there is a formula for you. Let's suppose this x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Suppose the side BC is your A and your AC is B, and your AB is your side C. So there is a direct formula for Incenter, that is EX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus C, right? And next is your AY1, BY2. This is your direct formula for Incenter, right? Incenter, the internal bisectors of the three vertical angles of the triangle are congruent this quantum. Incenter is basically the intersection points of your angle bisectors, right? So this is what your Incenter is. So yeah, coordinates are given. Question is guys, the coordinates are given. This coordinate maybe let 3, 1. Your B is your 0, 1. C is your not 0, 1. I've told you what A is. A is your this side B. B is your opposite to B. C is your opposite to C. Opposite to C whatever. Okay. So yeah guys, what A will be? Your A distance will be what according to distance formula. According to distance formula. And the root of 1 minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 0 whole square. 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 0 minus 3 plus square is 9. 9 to root 3. A will be 3. B will be what? B will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. And 3 minus of minus 3. That is 3 plus 3. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. 3 and 3 will be 6 whole square, 36, and root of 36 is 6. C will be the root of 3 minus 0 whole square and 1 minus 1 whole square. This is also 3, right? So Incenter will be EX1 by 2. So BX2 CX3 A plus B plus C AY1 BY2 CY3 A is a 3 and X1 is a 3. This is a 9. B is a 6 and X2 is a 0. 0. C is a 3 and X3 is minus 3. So basically minus 9. A plus B plus C will be 6, 3, no, 3, 9, 9 plus 3. A by 1. A is a 3 and by 1 will, so basically 3. B by 2 will be 62 and that is 6. You see y3. C is 3 and y3 is 1, so basically 3 divided by y. So your Incenter will be 9 minus 9 0 and 12 by 12 is 1. So Incenter will be your 0, 1. Right guys? So this is how you solve it. Before moving forward for the Bisector Theorem, let me just summarize what are these points. Centroid is what? Intersection of what? Median. I'm just writing median here. Circumcenter. Circumcenter is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Orthocenter is altitude. Intersection of your altitude. Incenter is your intersection of your angle bisector in a triangle. I think these all points are clear to you guys. And the formulas based on centroid, we know the formula, and in center we know the formula. How we calculate the circumcenter of the center by having the equation and by solving them, right? Next is the angle bisector theorem. I think the questions are clear and the concept is clear. So let us discuss what angle bisector theorem. Let me just show you here the triangle ABC. First read out. Your angle bisector theorem states that in a triangle, the angle bisector of any angle will divide the opposite side in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Basically, the point is, in any triangle, the angle bisector of any angle, let's suppose this point D point, the angle bisector, it means these angles are equal. So this is theta, and this is again theta, right? Will divide the opposite sides, that your D point will divide the opposite side in the ratio of the side containing the angle. Basically, it is saying that AB upon AC will be equal to what? BD divided by CD. If your angle bisector theorem says uh, the if you, your angle bisector will divide the triangle in the ratio. The ratio of what? The ratio of your side containing the angle. So that just keep in mind the result that if your these angles are equal, it means AB upon AC is what? BD upon of CD, right? Okay, so your AB upon BD will be equal to AC upon CD also. Just cross multiply here to the right. This is what basic means. We'll do a question, then I will clear the concept. So yeah, guys. Question in triangle ABC, the given triangle. AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay, if this is bisector, it means you can use the angle bisector theorem, which says the AB upon AC will be BD upon CD. The AB is 10. So AC is 14. So whole BC is 6. You know, by angle bisector theorem, the side will be divided in such a ratio that if AB upon AC will be what? BD divided by CD. Right? AB upon AC is 10 upon 14. BD upon CD. So your BD upon CD will be 5 upon 7. Right or not? So your BD upon CD is 5 upon 7. If your BD is, let's say BD is 5x, you can easily calculate your CD is 7x. And you know BC is given 6 centimeter. And what BC is? BC is BD plus CD. It is equal to 6. BD is 5x. CD is 7x. Is equal to 6. 7x plus 5x, 12x is equal to 6. X you will get 0.5. 6 upon 12 is 0.5, right? So yeah, you can calculate your BD. BD was your 5x. So 5 into 0.5 will be equal to 2.5. Right? Similar way, CD is equal to 7x. That is 7 into 0.5. That is equal to 3.5. Right, guys? So this is what basically your PD, CD, how you calculate it, and what is the angle back theorem, right? Just look at the solution. You can easily do this, right? The same way. You can write CD as your 6 minus BD. You can just calculate back that. There are questions. Okay, guys. So two questions are there for you. Two questions are there for your practice, right? Just solve it by your own, guys. These are for you practice. Okay, let me. I'm just telling you question number one. Here only that a triangle is coordinates of point A is given 2,5, right? And if the centroid is given, the G point is given minus 2,1. Find the coordinates with the midpoint of BC. G point is minus 2,1. Let's say your B point is x1, y1. C point can be x2, y2. You have to find the coordinate of this point, D point, the midpoint. Okay, guys, your coordinates of G is given, and coordinates of G is given minus 2,4, which is equal to what? Your x1 plus x2 plus 2 divided by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus 5 by 3. Just compare the x coordinate and y coordinate. You can get the minus 2 equal to x1 plus x2 plus 2 by 3. Here x1 plus x2 can be equal to, solve it, uh, 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, right? And x1 plus x2 by 2 will be what? Minus 4. Because you dequanted x1 plus x2 by 2, right? Similarly, your y1 plus y2. If you just calculate 12 minus 5 will be what? 7? 2, 5. Okay, so it's minus 2, 1. So yeah, 3 minus 5 will be a minus 2. And what is y1 plus y2? Y2, that is minus 1. So yeah, the coordinates of T point will be minus 4, 1. Minus 1, okay. So yeah, guys, this is all about your session for your Incenter, Circumcenter, and basically the important points inside a triangle, okay. So yeah, thank you guys, and we'll meet you in next session. Till then, keep learning and do many questions as you can do, right, from your reference one and from your NCERT books. So yeah, guys, that's all about the session. Thank you guys.